Alright, hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about getting your motorcycle license, your endorsement, and we're going to be talking about the two ways you can go about it. So let's hop on the Lowrider S and get talking about that. It's a beautiful day today. It's pretty much 70 right now. A little chilly, but you know, I like this type of weather. It's way better than being super hot, so. But let's go talk about the endorsements and the couple ways you can do to get your endorsement. So obviously the first one you have is the MSF course, which is one a lot of people do, honestly, because for most people it's a little bit easier than going to the DMV. Where I live in Virginia, pretty much I didn't go through the MSF only because they were all like at least an hour away from me, and then you had to be there for like 3-4 days. I just didn't have the time for that, so I just went through the DMV. But you know, an MSF will just teach you everything you need to know if you absolutely know nothing about motorcycles, which is the good thing. But I mean, I've been on Reddit a lot recently, and then I've seen a good amount of people complaining about their MSF instructors, saying they're freaking yelling at people and failing people for dropping the bike multiple times and stuff. Which, I mean, I don't know. I never went through the MSF, so I don't have any experience with that. But I know if I was first starting to ride, that would definitely put me off. But yeah, I guess everybody's experience is different. But yeah, I mean, the MSF is just going to be the easiest thing to do if you've never been on a motorcycle and you don't want to buy a bike. You want to see if you'll like it before, then take the MSF course and see if it's something you're interested in. The route I went was, I mean, yeah, like I said, the MSF course are all far, and then they're like super long too, and like I don't want to spend 3 whole days from morning to night at a place. So excuse me, I already knew I really wanted to ride a bike, so I already went and bought my first bike. It was a Kawasaki Z400, like I said in the video multiple times, previous videos. So I got that one because it was super lightweight, upright, and it's pretty much super maneuverable and really easy to learn on. So that was my main reason why I got that one. And you know, I don't regret it because I've practiced a lot, and I mean a lot. And then I passed that test, the skills test of like flying colors, pretty much. When I went to the DMV, I mean, yeah, I was nervous, but you know, the lady that was there to take my test, she was pretty much saying, even if you put your foot down or mess up, just keep going. We'll make sure you get out of here with a license and stuff. So I mean, that's pretty cool. I don't know if everybody's gonna have that same experience, but I mean, I didn't mess up at all, so yeah, that was pretty good on my part. But she was really chill. I was definitely nervous though, because I didn't want to have to take it again or anything. And then she definitely like made me feel more calm when she said that, so I was like, okay. And then took the test, was over in like 15 minutes. The longest part was actually just waiting at the DMV for them to come give me my test or whatever. But yeah, that was really simple. It was just 4 little exercises. You could do it on a bigger naked bike and stuff, but you definitely have to put into practice. I don't know if I'd do that course on a cruiser. Like if I had to do it on the Lowrider S, there's no way. What is this person doing? Yeah, I definitely would not have taken it on a cruiser. The turns are pretty tight, you know. I was lucky enough to, before I even went in there, when I went to go take the skills test, the course was open, so I actually spent like 5 minutes just like practicing on it, and then that made me feel better. But yeah, I was still worried and stuff. And then finally when I got the endorsement, like all of the huge weight was lifted off my shoulders, because before that I was riding around dirty. Like I had the permit, but in Virginia you can't ride on a permit unless you have someone that's over 21 years old that also holds a motorcycle license and stuff. That thing is stupid. So yeah, I mean, I risked it riding by myself and stuff, but like I never got pulled over because I wasn't doing anything stupid. So that's good. I mean, obviously go do that at your own risk, riding on a federal license. I'm not out here telling anybody to go do that, but I mean, if you don't have a choice like I did, where it was like your only option, and if you did get pulled over, you'd explain to them you're like really close to your house, you have insurance, it's registered and everything, you're just trying to practice for the course and stuff, maybe they'll be understanding. I don't know, you just pray for that. And yeah, luckily, like I said, I never got pulled over, so that was good. I went pretty much almost a whole year without the license, and then now that I have it, it just feels good. But yeah, MSF course is the easiest if you don't have a bike already and stuff like that, or if you're not sure you're gonna actually like riding motorcycles. I knew I was gonna enjoy it no matter what, so I just went ahead and bought the bike before even having the license and everything, which you're allowed to do in Virginia. I'm not sure about other states, but yeah. You know, it took a lot longer to get my endorsement because I got my permit before winter, and then I ended up taking the test after winter, so there was like a few months there where I wasn't able to ride and stuff, so that sucked. And then whenever the riding season did come back, I had to spend more time practicing again because it had been a few months since since the riding season was last available. Yeah, I mean, the way I didn't really, it was whenever I got my Kawasaki Z400, that was like the first bike I've ever been on too. I definitely used a lot of YouTube videos, just watched tons and tons of YouTube, did a lot of research. Yeah, just took it slowly, obviously. I remember the first time on the bike or whatever, when I first got the bike, all I did was go up and down the street that I lived on. Like we lived in a closed community, gated community, so that was nice because there's pretty much like a whole area for me to drive around. But before I even did that, all I did was go up and down just the straight road of my neighborhood or whatever, and then turn around slowly and then do that. I did that for a while before I even went onto the gated community's main grounds or whatever you call it. And then I did that for a while because I knew there was no chance of me getting pulled over because no cops can go inside the gated community. So that was nice. But what else? Yeah, I did that for like a while, and then slowly I like went onto the street and stuff. I didn't just throw myself out there. Luckily I was able to have my dad ride the bike back from the dealership whenever I first got it. Yeah, I mean, hopefully that wasn't too much rambling. Those are just a couple of the methods you can go and do whatever you want. Whatever option you feel is easiest and best for you, do it. You don't have to listen to everybody on the internet telling you what to do or whatever. A lot of people, when I went through the DMV, were saying that was like the worst way to go, but for me that was just the best way there was. But yeah, thanks for watching my video. Won't be a long time, just be a little bit before I make another video. I'm thinking of ideas of like what I could talk about on vlogs and stuff, because I don't want to be too boring, and I don't want to make content that's like not like quality and stuff like that. I want to do good videos for you guys and stuff like that. Still learning how to edit and all that stuff too, so bear with me on that. Trying to figure out how to like clip and trim parts of the videos to make them better. So that's the learning process and everything. So thanks for hanging around and dealing with that while I learn. But thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.